How can I do a recursive find and replace from the command line? Using a shell like bash or shell, how can I do a recursive find and replace? In other words, I want to replace every occurrence of foo with bar in all files in this directory and its subdirectories.
This command will do it, tested on both Mac OS X Lion and Kubuntu Linux. Here's how it works. Find.typef, name *text, finds, in the current directory, and below, all regular files, typef, whose names end in .text. Passes the output of that command, a list of file names, to the next command. Zargs gathers up those file names and hands them one by one to sed. Sed, I less foo bar g, means edit the file in place, without a backup, and make the following substitution, s foo bar, multiple times per line, g, c, man sed. Note that the without a backup part in line 4 is okay for me, because the files I'm changing are under version control anyway, so I can easily undo if there was a mistake. To avoid having to remember this, I use an interactive bash script, as follows.
Here's my zsh/perl function I use for this. And I'd execute it using, for example,
this removes the zargs dependency.
Try. Tested on Ubuntu 12.04. Edit. This command will not work if subdirectory names and/or file names contain spaces, but if you do have them, don't use this command as it won't work. It is generally a bad practice to use spaces in directory names and file names. This URL. Look at important facts about file names.